Now they've turned, because of repeated statements by leaders from Central Kenya, they've turned census into politics. So what is happening right now is, okay, fine, one is detrimental because everybody is going to say because population determines resource, we should produce as much as possible. Now, this is a little bit, not in conformity with the global control of population. Two, this region, like ours, has been traditionally pastoralist. So the issue of birth control has not been there. National statistics indicate that the fertility rate in this region is between 6 to 7. Family sizes are 6 to 7. Higher fertility rates for this region. Lowest fertility rate in Central Kenya. And household sizes, fathers and children, between 7 and 8. Now, you dispute numbers when, other than your dispute, and a statement by shocked Kenya National Bureau of Statistics that never conducted comprehensive census for Northern Kenya, but were shocked with the result of 2009. The only thing you're clinging on to is the statement from Kenya National Bureau of Statistics. They themselves are not able to say authoritatively in comparison to an exhaustive census done in the region in the past. Now, our brothers are saying, yes, these numbers are what they say. Mandera should not get the money they are getting. That's basically what they have. And they've kept on demanding that the next census, which is now 2019, should be based in foolproof technology. We echo and support their request from the system, 100%. Because it's illogical when nursery schools are having challenges in getting kids in Central Kenya, but classes of nursery schools here are overwhelmed with 200 students in one class, and we can't get enough infrastructure. Then you start saying these numbers are fake. When fertility rate is given in statistics, in household surveys, to be very high here, household numbers to be very high, then you say no, those ones are fake. And these are based on real numbers. So what are we producing? Are we producing air or something similar to that? We are not, And for reality, the challenge that, he said, okay, the census should be foolproof. Yes, it should be foolproof. And I asked, my brother, President Uhuru Kenyatta, to respect the request from leaders from Central Kenya as they have requested. Because I take Central Kenya as an example, because if it is only one leader who spoke, 2 or 3 you ignore. But when the numbers become too many, then you have positioned yourself successfully as center of interest. And they have become the center of interest for Northern Kenya because of them eyeing the issue of Northeastern shouldn't get. Not even resource denial for 50 years of independence in Kenya that could have persuaded the leaders from Central Kenya saying what they're getting now is too little vis-a-vis what they have missed for 50 years of independence and deliberate neglect by successive governments. So the census is a big issue, and not only is it a big issue, but we echo their request. We echo the use of the best technology there is out there to do it. We also echo the fact that once it is census, meaning exhaustive enumeration of each and every individual soul in Kenya. And we also request Kenya National Bureau of Statistics to understand pastoralists are Kenyans. Our way of life should not be used as disadvantage for us not to get. We want to get to know from Kenya National Bureau of Statistics what strategies have they put in place to take care of the pastoral way of life. The movement from place to place in search of pasture. August is going to be a dry time. Pastoralists will be moving. How have you taken care of that in order to be able to say we've carried out comprehensive census. Just a strategy in order to make sure that these exhaustive issues are done. A village is here now, dry spells come, the village moves to somewhere else. Okay? You've done your mapping here, but in August, the village is somewhere else, you've not mapped. What strategies have you put in place to take care of that? Other than that, the rest we say bring it on, for census, adapt the best technology, provide, adequate security for people to say no area should be inaccessible. Government should plan accordingly to make sure that census does take place exhaustively.